Hello everyone, today I will show you how to rotate a text box using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file with PDF-XChange Editor. Now click on this Home option and here you will find this Edit option and select here Edit Text. Now click on this text box and now click right button for your mouse cursor and select Arrange option. Here you will find this Transform option. Click here and here you can type your rotation angle. I rotate it 45 degrees and select OK and see this. Also you can rotate your text box. Put your mouse cursor this rotation angle icon and rotate it. See this. Also you can rotate this text box, select arrange option. Here you will find this counterclockwise, is clockwise and this rotate 180 degrees and so on. Yeah, if you want to adjust, click right button and select arrange and transform. Select here zeros and select OK and so on. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.